knot, a little uneven, so I'm going to trim it up a little bit. Well, that's not even. So far we're 3.5 minutes in. Get my burn in done. This is old busted bow limb from willow I made. It's too brittle. That doesn't sound good. And a horseweed spindle. Try and get my burn in. I don't know if this is going to work. It's pretty hard stuff. Cheat a little bit. Maybe I'm not making a mistake. Put a little dirt in here. Dirt's kind of damp though, so I don't know. I'm sure we'll find out if I'm messing up. Got a little bit of smoke. I'll call that good enough for my burn in. You can see it. Pretty even. Let's go ahead and start cutting it down. Cut my notch. Alright, let's see what I've done. Just go ahead and well, the leaf off my foot. Try it again. Uh-oh. Ah, darn. Okay. Try a different approach. Well, darn. That's not gonna work. I think I was doing better this way. This is some hard wood. I just gathered this the other day. I don't think it's gonna do. You can see how glossy the wood is there. Maybe you can. Might not have been. A little more dirt. See what happens. Pretty rusty with the hand drill. Pretty confident in myself with the bow drill, but haven't practiced with this in a while. I'm not putting way too much pressure on it right now, but I just want to get it smothered again. Ooh. Gee willikers. That went out. Whew. This is work. Alright, so far we're at 9 minutes 45 seconds. Jeez. I don't think we're gonna do anything with this one. Oh man. Nothing on the knife. Just burrowed out the pith in my spindle. Spindle's really hard. It's not rotten enough, I don't think. My dust, let's examine that. I was getting close at one time. My arm started giving out on me. So, it's pretty brown. I don't like the color of it. Whew. Tell you what, up close of the hole, you can see where the spindle was, hearthwood was eating up into my pith. Oh, now it busted it out. That's okay. So, definitely out of practice. I'll start working with it every day again. Anyway, it's a good set. Like I said, this is a willow hearthboard and a horseweed spindle. So it's definitely operator malfunction. But, yep.